Hey everyone, here I am again with a new video based on the topic animals and their young ones. So children, you know that all animals on this earth they give birth to the similar kinds. They give birth to babies or they lay eggs. And this is what reproduction is, right? So reproduction is a process by which living organisms they give birth to the new young ones. So basically, reproduction has two modes, either by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. So generally, all the animals on this earth, they reproduce of their own kinds. As here in this video, you can see a kangaroo and a lion. They both are having their babies of their own kind. And this is how this life goes on this earth. Whereas the birds and most of the insects and reptiles, they generally lay eggs. And from these eggs, the chicks, they generally come out, right? So they also have a very typical way of reproducing. So let's first talk about the egg-laying animals, basically the birds. And as you know that they generally reproduce by laying eggs. So what an egg is? Let us see the structure of an egg. Children, egg has basically three major parts: an eggshell, yolk, and the white part called albumin. So this yolk is very rich in vitamins and minerals, whereas this albumin is a very good source of proteins. So overall, these both are very good and very nutritious for your body, right? So children, birds, as you know that all birds they reproduce by laying eggs, and most of them they build nests on the trees to lay their eggs and to raise their young ones. Now let us see the life cycle of a hen in this. See in the picture, as you can see, the egg hatches, the baby chick comes out, and it again transforms into a hen either or a rooster, right? This is how a hen reproduces, and this is how its life goes on in a cyclic manner. Apart from that, butterflies, grasshoppers, bees, mosquitoes, cockroaches, etc. These creatures also lay eggs, and this is how they all reproduce. Next, we are going to talk about the life cycle of a frog. See, frog also, like the hen, has many stages in its life cycle. Eggs, they first come out, then the tadpole, froglets, and a complete adult frog becomes. This is how a frog reproduces. Next, we are going to talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. See, the butterfly also has many amazing stages in its life. Like the eggs, they hatch, they become the caterpillar, and the caterpillar becomes the pupa, and then the pupa again becomes a adult butterfly. So now, second topic of this chapter is animals that give birth to babies. See children, all large animals, all big animals, whether they are aquatic or they live on land, they all give birth to babies. Generally all mammals like whales and dolphins, tigers, lions, leopards. They protect their babies from enemies, they take a very good care of them, they feed them, and generally they give them warmth of their body. So this is how they protect their babies and they love them. So I hope you loved this video. So it's my humble request to you all to save the animals. Be kind to them. Love them. Feed them. Be kind to every kind on this earth. Since these all are creatures made by God, never hurt any living thing which is around you. They all have lives, they all have families like us. Since kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see, right? So children, always be kind to these little and very beautiful creatures. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.